Good morning, everybody. I got a cast iron pan and I am going to season it. I have another one that I've had for years, but it was a grill pan and I just picked this one up. It is a 12-inch. It'll make enough for my family and it has a lid so I can put it in the oven and make bread. That's my next plan. So what I'm doing is cleaning them with soap and water and drying them off real good. I'm not letting it touch the sides of my sink so it doesn't scratch my sink. Real careful with that. And I'm just gonna really soap it up. It's made in America. And I'm drying it off real good, making sure there's no water spots on it. And you can use, like the liquid oils kind of get sticky. I'm using coconut oil. You can use Crisco. I just don't have any Crisco or vegetable shortening to use. So coconut oil is the next best. And I am going to seal it with this coconut oil on it. With a paper towel, I take my coconut oil and, whoa, that's a new coconut oil and it's cold in my house. Let me get a knife. It always stays nice and so I'm just going to drop some on and grab it from my paper towel. I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm just making sure I get everywhere with the coconut oil. Make sure it's all. My oven is preheating at 350. All the edges. So it's ready to go in the oven, and we'll put it in, both of them in the oven at 350 to 375 for an hour. What I'm going to do is preheat the oven, put them in, and turn off the oven. Okay, so I have them both completely oiled up. The lid also, every little nook and cranny, so that try not to get any rust on it. Okay, so I have them both completely oiled up. The lid also, every little nook and cranny, so that try not to get any rust on it. I'm gonna put them in the oven, 350 for an hour. Okay, it just came out of the oven. I'm just letting it cool. It's really, really hot. If I wasn't going to make bread right away, I wouldn't even take them out of the oven. I'd just let them cool in the oven. But they turned out great. These my kids made me when they were little, and I don't want to throw them away. Precious.